I don't do them clear cases because I don't have to see them. I know what looking at the box and the price on the box what shoe it is. Put it back. Put it back. All my purses are sitting up on the top shelf in one of my closets in the duster bag, except for the two that I use all the time. My wigs, I got 14 wig heads in rotation. The rest of them are laid flat, and I don't rotate them out until one. If you notice, most of my wigs have similar formats. I throw that one away, take a new one out, put it on the wig head, and I'm done. Everything is organized. You come to our house, it's like, oh, you cleaned up. No, we didn't. This is how the house always looked. We ain't got to be like, oh my God, we about to have some company. Clean up! That's not what's happening. My clothes have been color coordinated since I was in high school. They go from light to dark. My suits are all by themselves because of how these closets are formatted in Las Vegas, and my fur coats are in one of Nola's rooms because that's the coolest room in the house. That's it. And then this closet right here has all my assembled work clothes in it because I don't mix and match. I don't want the energy from those clothes with my regular clothes. So that's the point. You got to get organized and stay organized. So the first thing you got to do is get rid of the clutter. Second thing you got to do is get organized and stay organized. I make my bed up every day. We'll have a whole bunch of stuff on the walls and all this, and it's okay. We go to people's houses, they have art and all of that, as long as it's organized and you know where everything is. That's what's happening. So you disorganized, you're not going to be able to grab something. You're not going to be able to walk out the door, quickly grab your things because stuff is going to be all over the place. So get organized and stay organized. Number 6 is eliminate distractions, and distractions is also the PA and the really the brain for today, which you'll get to later on. Eliminate distractions. Okay? All distractions. Okay? So that's people, places, and things. And what it is a distraction. And where is my note at? Give me 1 second. Did I get rid of it already? Yep, because I will tear some stuff up. Okay, so a distraction is a person, place, or thing that diverts your attention away from something that you want to focus on. A person, place, or thing that diverts your attention away from something that you want to focus on. That is a distraction. The example that I used in the Real Leader Brain is I used to go to Starbucks all the time. I went to Starbucks to write my book. And this was, 2008, 9. Starbucks has become really popular. And so now people are always in them. They're always talking, meeting, because it became a popular thing. So I switched to go to the Leone Cafe. Same thing happened. More people moved here, people chit-chatting and talking. Finally, I had to come home and just have coffee at home, do all my work at home, and then venture out after that because it was a distraction. I don't give anybody my telephone number anymore because it's a distraction. People call you when the fuck they feel like it. They send stupid ass text messages all kind of time. And back in the day, I used to turn my phone off. You couldn't get in touch with me. I had a house phone. We have a house phone now, but nobody has a number, so we're good to go. But distractions stop you from the thing that you need to focus on. That's why I said you can't have no unaccountable people in your life because they are distracting you from you becoming your best. People, places, and things. We got in Vegas. I don't know if y'all ever been to Vegas and not been on the strip, but there are slot machines everywhere. 7-Eleven, doggone. You go somewhere other than the library, there is the grocery store. All the grocery stores have a section sectioned off for you to go play slot machines. They are in the gas stations, the grocery stores. They have neighborhood casinos. They have neighborhood bars. Everywhere you go, you just pull out. You can't go in any strip mall and there not be a gaming option between the gas station and one of those bars there, Dottie's and some other places, the bar, you got it. Even in my neighborhood, when we got 5 banks in one parking lot, we still got the bar with doggone, that's the name of it, with slot machines in it. And the Albertsons has slot machines in the Albertsons after the checkout. So you buy your groceries and there be people sitting there with their doggone cart on the machines. Distraction. 100, you live in Sin City, plenty of distractions, 100%. So you have to eliminate them and get rid of them and say, I am focused on becoming my best. This place, this thing, or this person is stopping me from becoming my best. So you got to go so I can grow. So eliminate the distractions. But I just love to just watch The View and listen to the hot topics every morning. Okay, but is that distracting you? Because everything you taking in is either making you better or making you bitter. Okay? Everything that you take in is making you better or making you bitter. And if you use that, you're going to be able to get rid of a bunch of distractions. Is this thing making me better or bitter? After I have the experience, am I on my way? Am I ready, empowered to go be my best? Or am I like, see these motherfuckers right here, and this is what I'm talking about. And this is why you can't have nothing. And I wish I... Okay? Then that thing distracted you and made you bitter. So no bueno. You can't do that no more. But if it's like, yeah, all right, cool. Now I'm going to go take an art class. I'm about to go meditate. You know what? And now I'm about to make this blog. This is what I was getting ready to do. See, I needed that. This was the sign that I needed, and I'm on my way to succeed. Better, keep it. Bitter, discard it. The next one is take risk.